Hi, welcome back guys. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to use co-writer features in Killbot. Maybe you just want to experience the co-writer in Killbot but you don't know how. So today I am going to show you how to use co-writer in Killbot. Check video description. I will try to leave the written instructions. So, without further ado, let's get started. First, open your any browser application. For this example, I will be using my Chrome. After that, tap on this search bar and go to this website called killbot.com. Once you are in this website, tap on these three horizontal lines at the upper right corner of the screen. And then once you are in here, you will see here the paraphraser, grammar checker, plagiarism checker, summarizer, and citation generator. As you can see, you cannot see the co-writer. What you will need to do is tap on these three lines at the upper right corner of the screen, and then tap on this desktop site. And once you are in the desktop site, just zoom in for better view. And you will see this pen sign. Tap on it. And then now, this is the co-writer. As you can see, co-writer is all in one writing tool that lets you paraphrase, check grammar, get writing tips, and even search the web without switching between tabs. You can write high quality content in less time. What you will need to do is tap on this X button and then just simply delete all this. And now you can start writing, and then Killbot will automatically check your grammar, check plagiarism, and even give you a tip for writing. There you go. If you wanted to know how to use co-writer in Killbot, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way how to use co-writer in Killbot, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.